is one of the most diverse places in the world, and within it, Forest Hills feels like a storybook enclave. Charming, peaceful, and just a short train ride away from Manhattan. With its Tudor-style homes, tree-lined streets, and strong sense of community, this neighborhood offers a welcome break from the city's fast pace. I'm GiGi Malek, licensed real estate agent with Daniel Gale Sotheby's International Realty, with 25 years experience helping buyers and sellers in my town, Forest Hills. From StreetEasy, this is Know the Neighborhood. Forest Hills sits in central Queens, bordered by Rego Park, Kew Gardens, and Flushing Meadow Corona Park. The neighborhood is well connected, with service by the E, F, M, and R trains, as well as the Long Island Railroad. Before it was Forest Hills, the area was known as White Pot. It was farmland until 1906. Where developers purchased 650 acres near Forest Park to create a model garden community. Forest Hills Gardens, completed in 1910s, became one of the first planned communities in the United States. The neighborhood was inspired by the English Garden City movement. In 1923, the Forest Hills Stadium opened as home of the US Open Tennis Championships. Forest Hills architecture is one of its biggest draws. In Forest Hills Gardens, strict preservation rules keep the original Tudor-style facades intact. Pitched roofs, gables, timber framing, and terracotta tiles give the area a fairy tale feel. Station Square, with its brick paving, ivy-covered walls, and central clock tower, feels like stepping into a small English village. Outside the gardens, you'll find pre-war co-ops, Art Deco apartment buildings, and modern condos, offering a wide range of options for buyers and renters. Forest Hills is anchored by two main shopping areas. Austin Street is a busy retail hub featuring national brands and neighborhood staples. And Metropolitan Avenue is home to many independent shops and family-owned businesses like Eigner Chocolate, which is one of the oldest chocolate shops in New York City. Metro Meats, a local butcher shop and neighborhood staple. The Cinemark Movie Theater, a historic theater that still posts happy birthday for local kids on its marquee. Eddie's Sweet Shop, an old-fashioned ice cream parlor, serving Sundays since 1902. And Wagging Tails, a pet store, groomer, and doggy daycare. As its name suggests, nature is never far in Forest Hills. Forest Park, with its trails, golf course, and horseback riding, borders the neighborhood and offers over 500 acres of green space. Flushing Meadows Corona Park is just minutes away, with lakes, sports fields, and the iconic Unisphere. Even the neighborhood streets feel like part of the park. Leafy, quiet, and perfect for a stroll. Forest Hills truly has so much to offer. Let's head to one of my favorite restaurants, Tourmaline, to talk with Forest Hills resident Rachel Kellner about what makes this community feel like home. What brought you to Forest Hills?
Great question. So I own one of the oldest chocolate shops in New York City on Metropolitan Avenue, and my business partner was driving down the street one day and went in to buy me chocolate. And there was a for sale sign on the door, and he met with the owners that day. And then 4 weeks later, we bought the business, and that was back in 2015. Is when customers would come to the register, they would ask us, do you live in Forest Hills? And my response was, I haven't sold enough chocolate yet to move here. So it took me quite a few years to move to Forest Hills, but now I've been here for a little over 3 years now.
Yes, and how do you like it?
I love it. I don't think that there is any place on earth more magical than Forest Hills.
I agree. I've been here for over 45 years.
Wow.
And I absolutely love it. It is one of my favorite communities.
I don't like leaving.
Me too.
Literally my whole life.
I know, it's all here.
It's literally here.
Exactly.
It's like, and then anytime I leave, I say to myself, oh my God, why did I leave? And how quickly can I come back?
What do you think makes it so different than most areas in New York City?
I mean, I would say there are a lot of things that make it different. The proximity to New York City right? Like you can have that suburban feel while only being 15 minutes away from Manhattan.
Yeah.
The ability to walk everywhere, you don't need a car here, you know, which I think is huge. It's the architecture.
We do have beautiful architecture.
Forest Hills Gardens, I feel like when you get off the Long Island Railroad and you're at the top of that staircase in Station Square, I feel transported back into Europe.
So do you see yourself staying here long term?
There's nowhere else I could ever see myself living. And there's something about the people that are drawn here that are really special.
Yes.
You know, I've mentioned that I'm getting divorced, and I have this whole village of women all around me that are here to help me. You know, that whole cliche, it takes a village.
Absolutely.
It really does. And this is it. It's right here in Forest Hills. And I don't know if you can go anywhere else in New York City and have that experience.
Now that we've explored what makes Forest Hills so special, let's talk about the housing that's available here. StreetEasy data shows that as of July 2025, 15% of available homes in Forest Hills were condos, 75% were co-ops, and 10% were single-family homes. During that same period, Forest Hills' median asking price was $429,000, but you can find homes at a wide variety of price points, depending on the type of property, square footage, and section of the neighborhood. If you're planning to move to Forest Hills, StreetEasy can match you with an expert or team that can help guide you to your new dream home. With neighborhood-specific expertise, a buyer's agent can offer valuable insights, help you narrow down your search, and act as your representative throughout the buying process. When you reach out about a listing on StreetEasy, you'll be connected with a buyer's agent who can help. If you're looking for more upfront guidance, contact our complimentary StreetEasy concierge at the link below to get matched up with a buyer's agent or ask any questions that you may have. Forest Hills is also a great option for renters. As of July 2025, the median asking rent was $3,200, just below the median asking rent for Queens overall. Forest Hills blends timeless architecture, beloved local businesses, tree-lined streets, and a welcoming small-town atmosphere. Whether you're catching a concert at Forest Hills Stadium, strolling through Forest Park, or thinking about making a move here, Forest Hills has a way of making people feel at home. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Forest Hills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more episodes of Know the Neighborhood. And for more information on Forest Hills or other neighborhoods in New York City, visit our blog, which is linked below. I'm GiGi Malek. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Forest Hills.